Okay, we have looked at many of the rules of differentiation. Let's look at one more, what is called as the chain rule. Now let's say we have a function like log of sine of x, y is equal to, or it could be any combination of a number of functions. But importantly, they are one inside the other kind of thing. So sine x is inside log. So which means y is equal to, let's say log is f, sine x is g of x. So we say this is f of g, or we could also write it as y is equal to f of u, which means u is equal to f, not f, g of x. When we combine these two, we can write it as f of u, g of x. Small change in x, as it goes to 0, delta u goes to 0 and delta y goes to 0. Since we already know how to find the derivative, limit as delta x approaches 0 of delta y by delta x, limit as delta x approaches 0 of, now delta y by delta x can be written as delta y by delta u times delta u by delta x. As delta u approaches 0 of delta y by delta u, limit as delta x approaches 0 of delta u by delta x. Now here the change that has taken place from this previous step is this. Why? Because as delta x approaches 0, delta u approaches 0. Now this is this derivative. So we can say dy by dx is equal to, this would be what? This would be the derivative with respect to u. So dy by du. And this would be with respect to x. So this would be dy by du times du by dx. And visually also you see that if I strike off du, you are left with dy by dx. So this is called the chain rule. Let's take that example. So what is the example we have? We have log sine x, log of sine x. Y is equal to log of sine x. Now this we can write it as u equal to sine x, y equal to log u. So du by dx is equal to cos x. dy by du is equal to what? Log u, which is 1 by u. So now what happens? dy by dx would be equal to, what's our formula? Formula is dy by du times du by dx, which is equal to, dy by du is 1 by u times cos x. So cos x by u. Okay, y equal to tan square x. Now we can say u equal to tan x, right? And y is equal to u square. So du by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of tan? Now let's say you don't remember the derivative of tan. Don't panic. You know tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Yes, dy by dx, quotient rule. So cos theta, sine theta is what? Cos theta, minus sine theta divided by cos square theta. So this is cos square theta plus sine square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to 1 on top and cos square theta, which is what 1 by cos square theta is what? Sec square. So the secret is not to panic. So this is your dy by dx. So du by dx here in our main problem, du by dx would be what? Sec square x. Dy by du would be what? 2u. Yes. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by du times du by dx, which is 2u times sec square x. And finally substitute u. So 2 tan x sec square x. Let's do y is equal to e to the power of 5x square plus 1. Now you should be able to do it without the steps also. So dy by dx is equal to first the derivative of e, that is e itself. So 5x square plus 1, as it is you write. Then take the derivative of this 5x square plus 1. 5x square plus 1 is 10x. Done. Now just rearrange it. So 10x e to the power of 5x square plus 1. Let's say y is equal to e to the power of x plus x to the power of 4. So here what you do? 4 e to the power of x plus x cube. Then derivative of the expression inside. So e to the power of x plus 1. Can leave it as it is because there is no other simplification that can be done. You can put this has to be inside the bracket. Now if you look at this problem, then you should be able to apply all the different rules. F prime of x is equal to, this is product rule, derivative of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x sine x, and plus root x as it is cos x. This is 6x. So this plus will become minus 3 by x square it will become. Then minus, take it in sequence, e, the derivative of e is e itself, so e to the power of x square. Then take the next expression, that is x square, derivative of that. Then log 1 by sin x times sin x, that is cos x. So our expression of the derivative comes to plus sin by 2 root x plus root x cos x minus 6x minus 3 by x square minus e to the power of x square times 2x plus cos x by sin x, that is cot x. So as you can see, we can go and find the derivative of any expression. Okay, let's look at a few more. Y is equal to sin to the power of 6 3x square. So here this to the power of 6 can be taken like this. So take that first. So dy by dx is equal to 6 sin 3x square 5. Now take the derivative of sin. So derivative of sin is cos. Then take the derivative of 3x square, which is 6x. So our expression becomes 6x 36 sin 5 3x square cos 3x square. Basically practice. I think that's enough for today. Bye for now. Please go to the about page of my channel, and here you will find various
links for each topic. These are Excel workbooks which I have been using in many of my videos. Download it and practice.